Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo here, and welcome back to Lesson 15 on FreeCodeCamp. This is the JavaScript and Algorithms Data Structure Certification Basic JavaScript. So today we're starting with Basic JavaScript Golf Code. I'll let you read this a little bit. But basically, we're going to create a sort of giant if statement, right? Or a switch, either one. All right. So basically, what we want to do is look at the par and the number of strokes. Okay, so what we can do here is we can say, we can just do the switch statement right here. We can say switch on strokes, and we can look at these different cases. Say case, let's see, par and strokes. Par mean the average number of strokes. Plus par. Strokes is 1. Let me see. So 4 and 1 should return a hole in 1. Let me see. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So looks like we're going to look at let's just start with a few of them. Let's try and get each one to pass. So 4-1 should return hole in 1. So here we can say if strokes is equal to 1, just return names of 0. Let's go ahead and run that and just see if we can get this one to pass. Okay. If strokes is equal to 2, return names of 1. Okay, good. Next one. If strokes is equal to 3, we're going to return names of 2. We're going to go ahead and run that. Good to go. If strokes is equal to 4, we're going to go ahead and return names of 3. Over 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead and run that. If strokes is equal to 5, we're going to return names of 4. All right. Let me see which ones are we not getting. If strokes is equal to 6, we're going to return names of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go ahead and run that. Okay. And then let's do 7. Strokes is equal to 7. Return names dot length minus 1. Do that. Alright, and then if strokes is equal to 9, we're going to return, so basically the same thing. Let's go ahead and do that. Or strokes is equal to 9. Let's go ahead and run that. And what's this last one? 5 and 5. Strokes is equal to 5. And we want to return par 0, 1, 3. I think we want to return 3 in that case. So I run that. And, oh wait, hold on. No, I did that wrong. Strokes is equal to 5. 4, 4. Let me see, let's run this. And then 4, 5 should return bogey. Let me see. If strokes is equal to par plus 1. Let me see, let's run this. And then, let me see. I'm just gonna, because I'm not actually very familiar with golf. Let me run this. Strokes 5, 9. Strokes is equal to 9. Run this, and I'm just gonna hardcode this one. 5, or strokes is equal to 5, and par is equal to 5. So go ahead and run that, and 5 and par is equal to 5. Let me go ahead and just look at this real quick in our console. Console.log here, hit 5 and 4. Let's go ahead and run this. Strokes is equal to 5. Okay. Par is equal to 5. Return names of 4. Let me just try something. So I just want to see. Strokes is equal to 5. Let me see. And we'll just say if par. Let's see. So we want, what's this last one? We want par or bogey. So if strokes is equal to par, return. What do we want? I just want to see this. And then return. Run this real quick. There we go. Cool. All right. So number 2. Selecting from many options with switch statements. What we're going to do now is sort of use the same thing but write a switch statement which takes a case, looks at different values, and returns different statements, then allows you to break out of them or simultaneously keep aggregating. So write a switch statement which tests val and sets the answer for the following conditions. So what we're going to do here is write a switch statement which is going to switch on this val, and we're going to have these different cases. And case 1, we're just going to say answer equals alpha. And then what we do always is we break. And I'm just going to copy this little scaffold right here. And we're going to have 2, 3, 4. And we're going to have beta, gamma, delta. And we're going to go ahead and run that. That should work. Good to go. Number 3, adding a default option. So we're going to write another switch statement here. Switch value case A. And then answer equals apple break. And I'm just going to write this template out a little bit again. And then here we're going to say default answer equals stuff. And we're going to say B, C, B will be bird, C will be cat. Go ahead and run that. Cool, good to go. Right, number 4, multiple identical options. We're going to switch statement to say answer for the following ranges. So what we can do here is just similarly, we can say case 1, case 2, case 3. All right, now say answer equals low, break. And then we can, I'm just going to grab this real quick. Case 4, 5, 6. And we can say mid. And finally, we can do 7, 8, 9. We could say high. Go ahead and run that. Should give us what we want. Finally, number 5, replacing if else chains with switch statements. So basically, here what we're going to do is just change this out. So switch val. We're going to say case Bob. Answer equals value. And then let me add that. And break. I'm just going to add on a bunch of these. Okay. Case is, answer is equal Marley. Case 42. Answer equals the answer. Alright. Get rid of some of these. Alright. Next one up we have is case is 1. And we can say there's no number 1. Alright. Next one up we have is 99. Missed me by this much. And then finally we have 7. We can say 8, 9. 8, 9. And then we can get rid of that. There we go. There it is. Let's go ahead and run that. And case chain switch 7. Let me see. I guess it was 7. Alright, let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. Alright guys, that's it for lesson 15. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Go check out the links in the description to the course I recommend. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.